Okay, welcome to my channel. This video we have something from YESWELDER from Amazon. It's an auto darkening helmet. So let me get the box open a little better and get it out of there and show you up close. Okay, here it is out of the box. As you can see, it came in a cool little bag. Protective bag, I guess. Hold on, let me adjust this camera down just a little bit. There we go. Okay, well, there's what looks like a battery and another lens and the manual on it. Now, this did not tear off like it should have, and it kind of looks like you need to take the lens out to get that off all the way. I don't know, I'll have to read the book a little bit better. Here's all the controls to it. Seems to be a pretty good made helmet, welding helmet. One thing I don't like about it is, if you can see, got a little bent up, I guess, in the box. But yeah, it's pretty good so far. I mean, you know, I just took it out of the box. I ain't used it. You can see inside there, it's got another one of those protective films on it that you got to take off. And it kind of looks like it just goes all the way around, so it looks like you need to take that lens out. I don't know. Now, out of all the years I've been welding, and yes, I did used to weld for a living in the 90s, believe it or not. My dad had a welding shop and I worked for him welding, but I've never used one of these kind of helmets or welding shields. I've always just used the old standard flip down and wear your neck out, flipping your head all day long. But and in fact, I don't even know if these was even around back in the 90s, these auto darkening ones. They may have been, but I didn't know about them back then. I mean, I've known about them for a long time now, but just never did get one until now. But when I was welding in the 90s, I didn't know they even existed. So I don't really know how to use it, but we'll find out. I mean, it came with a book, can't be that hard. It's just a couple knobs, right? It's a big lens. That's the reason I got this one. Some of these auto darkening ones, they look big, but if you look at the actual screen or lens that you look through, they're small. This one's kind of big. You know, I can't hardly see as it is, so I need all the viewing area I can get. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. Just a new welding shield is all. I didn't know I got a gloss one. I thought it was just the standard old black, kind of like the inside looks, you know. I didn't know it was actually painted, I guess. But I mean, that's all right. That's cool. I just hope it works good. I've had my share of flash burns. I don't want any more of that, which is probably why I can't hardly see now. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. Just a little short one, just to show you my new welding helmet, welding shield from YESWELDER. Hope you like this video. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.